heat and humidity.
All right.
And the next thing they ask you about is voodoo
Okay.
or hoodoo, like we call it in Nashville, Louisiana,
Nashville,
my
Louisiana.
hometown.
All right.
When somebody's been hoodoo, the old folks say they've been sick.
Yep.
And if the old folks say something, you better heed a warning. Because the powder that fueled the hoodoo spell was held by an old, dark, black, wrinkle-faced lady with a faded diaper tied around her head.
There you go.
I remember this one time, I was about 13 years old when me and my buddies caught Mr. Two-Child Thompson's wife, Mrs. Loose Ass. That's what we call her.
All right.
Loose Ass, because her ass shook like jelly. This loose ass was buck naked, which surprised the fuck out of me.
All right.
And to me, he was buck naked too. That surprised the fuck out of me even more. Because I didn't think he'd take off them yellow rubber hip boots for all the pussy in China. The loose ass had him hollering like he had soul. Sock it to me, baby. We sock it to him, all right. We played pig on that crack of pig. The next day, Stevie poured dirty engine oil in his running dish we were swimming in.
All right.
Drove us to the river, sure enough. And by the only thing worse than being hoodoo and Vacher is not heeding that hoodoo woman saying.
Gotcha.
And every year that old wrinkle-faced woman says, sure as that river rise, when it go down, it could take somebody down with it. Of course, we knew the danger of the mighty Mississippi River, but we were good swimmers. And besides that, the closest public pool for colored boys was 52 miles away. That would be in New Orleans. Which brings me to our friend Bobby Green, who was from New Orleans. See, Bobby could swim too.
Yep.
But he was used to them swimming pools in the city. And he wasn't aware of the waves of the wild Mississippi River. And when he went out a little too far that day, the first thing came into my mind was that hoodoo woman saying about drowning. If they go under 3 times, they ain't coming up no more. Bobby went under 3 times.
Okay.
Of course, we all felt like it was Steve's fault that Bobby had drowned. But it wasn't shit we could do about it. At least that's what I thought. Until I saw Cheng coming towards me on the river road. They said Cheng was crazy, and you couldn't believe a word he said. So everybody in back told Cheng to keep talk secret. Cheng walked around faster and collected more confessions than the Pope. Well, come to find out, hoodoo had shit to do with Two Jobs' plight. Chen said the hoodoo woman told him that Miss Loose Ass was feeding Two Jobs saltpeter in his food. I said, huh? He said, saltpeter, little fella. So that's the same powder they give to the mules to keep their mind off of fucking. So if the mules think about fucking all the time, they won't work. Same thing go for Two Jobs. I said, but why she pick old mean ass to be to fuck over Two Jobs, please? He said, money. I said, but why she need so much money with Two Jobs working hard like 2 mules? He said, because of the powder. I said, hold up here a minute, King. First you tell me that the powder that was supposed to be the powder ain't the powder. Now you tell me it's because of the powder. What kind of hoodoo you do? He says the powder she needs comes from the ashes of hell. It's called cocaine, little man.
Mm.
So, never forget the last time I saw Miss Lucille Thompson. She was standing on the river bank watching the baptism.
Mm-hmm.
The weather was warm and windless, and the whole dressed up town stood in knee-high clovers, singing, "Take me to the water, take me to the water." Miss Lucille looked down the river where two jobs was tying up the ferry boat on the second job, and a little ways past that, where the steam was circling the river and it was well-clean canoe. And the thought of doing a good man wrong for so long took her to her knees. She said, "Oh Lord, I am a poor, hell-deserving sinner who's begging for forgiveness in Jesus' name. If you only pardon and forgive me for my sins, I'll serve you the balance of my days." And it's a good thing she prayed that prayer, because her life account was down to $0. A big old steamship came rolling down the river, and it caused the two-story highway to flip the canoe over that Stevie was pushing over there. He wrapped his arm around them humongous burn, and he grabbed her, and the waves took them to the deep part of the river. They went under one side. They went under two sides. And Stevie must have tapped that ass one last time. But the yellow rub bar popped up above the water. Thank you, Brian.
All right. Okay.
The ashes of hell.